Let's generate a floor on-ground junction with Brige Generator. First, you need to select the proper template. Now search for the most appropriate type. Windows controls can be used to filter the list of thermal bridges. Like any other bridge type, you have full control over its geometry thanks to a wide series of parameters. Let's decrease the offset between ground levels. Mold simulator implements both ISO 10211 computation options. Brige Generator has just created everything you need to perform the computation. Section elements and areas, materials, and boundary conditions. You just need to run the simulation. Flow simulation results contain internal and external linear thermal transmittance. With ISO 10211 option B, a ground-only simulation also ran. Mold Simulator uses it to compute ground transmittance, UG. Condensation simulations ran automatically per ISO 13788. Note the ground is cut 2 meters below the floor with a special boundary condition. Now let's try with ISO 10211 option A. This time, ground-only simulation won't be necessary. The computed linear thermal transmittance is very close to the ISO 10211 option B1.